Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *.* backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.